How to transfer money from Barclays Bank account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money using Barclays account in just a minute. So first, log in. Open the Barclays app and sign in. Next, tap Pay and Transfer at the bottom. Select Pay a recent or new payee. Choose Add New Payee and enter the receiver's detail. Enter the amount and select one-time or recurring payment. Once done, review the payment, confirm it, and you are all set. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Barclays Bank account. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.